Good morning, traders. I get asked a lot, what do you do on the weekends as a trader when the markets are closed? And again, I think we can look to Scripture for answer. Now, there were 6 days of creation. I've condensed them into 5 days of God's creation method, but the basic premise is that God, at the end of every day, looked at what he had made and said it was good. And I think that is what Saturday is for. Now, God clearly made an example out of the seventh day. The seventh day, he blessed it to keep it holy. And I believe on Sunday, or whatever your seventh day is, that's a day where we should take the day completely off of trading and focus on the one who called us to this. But what do you do about that other day? Markets are closed unless you're trading Bitcoin. Well, I think there's an example there. Again, at the end of every day, God looked at what he had done and he called it good. I think all too often that we as traders evaluate ourselves too quickly. What do I mean by that? We look at ourselves day by day instead of looking at our trading and us as traders through a longer lens. So whether you're a day trader or a swing trader, I would highly recommend waiting until the end of the week to take a look back. How did I do this past week? But I do think that is an appropriate thing to be doing on, let's say, a Saturday. Just take an hour and say, how did I do this week? Put off all of that evaluation until then, until the markets are closed and you can't go meddling with the trade. And say, what was this week like? Write down your thoughts, share it with somebody else. The community is really helpful in this regard. But take that sixth day, that's the day the market is closed, as a chance to take a step back and say, how did this week go? Write down things you need to work on and write down things that you need to celebrate. And then go into that seventh day, ready to worship and honor God and thank him for everything that he did for you the previous 6. If you need any help with any of this, reach out to us at godlytrading.com and you can sign up for a free one-on-one call.